Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Estefania and welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a accessories haul video. It's not really a huge haul. So yeah, let's just get started. Let's talk about these accessories. I was looking for a website that I can find, you know, accessories, earrings like this, necklaces and things like that, because, you know, I like to play around with wigs and accessories when I do looks. Some of the accessories inspire my looks. When I first started my YouTube channel, I had bought, you know, a whole bunch of accessories for the same reasons, to get inspired. I had to go through all of my email. I had to go way back to like 2013 or 2014 to actually find this and remember where I got that jewelry. This website is not only known for jewelry, it's known for clothing, home stuff, toys, kids stuff, men's stuff. Yeah, it's like everything. Also, it's from China. So if you don't like things from China and if you don't like cheap accessories, you know, you may want to back out of this video, but if you do, then just keep watching. So the website's name is JollyChic.com, and I have bought from this website so many times. So if you are kind of iffy about it, just know that I trust this website. They always have great sales. They have these flash sales that they throw things on sale all the time. So this time I was lucky enough that I was looking for, you know, accessories, and they had a flash sale on accessories. So I got these accessories for $1. The most I paid, I think, was $3 for these earrings, but everything I got less than $3. So yeah, the first ones are these right here that I'm wearing, and these are trending right now, and they're just gold. They have them in silver and rose gold, and I just went with the regular gold because I don't know, just wanted to go with gold, and I like these. I've been wearing them for about 2 hours now. They don't feel heavy at all, and they haven't hurt my ears just yet. That's another thing, you know, this is fake accessories. If you're sensitive, then I wouldn't recommend getting these earrings because, you know, you can be allergic to them, and what's the point of buying them? I like the size of them, and yeah, I can't wait to keep wearing these. So the other earrings that I got, I was kind of disappointed because I thought they were a bit bigger. So just, I guess, read more into the details and the sizes and the inches if you do go to the website, because I didn't do that, and me, like a dummy, just went and bought, you know, these earrings, and I thought they were bigger, but they're still worth it, so it's okay because they're only like $1 or $2, so it's okay. To show you the next earrings I got, or what is this? Oh, this is rings. So I got this set of rings, and I'm so excited. I think I'm missing some, but I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the rings, and I know there's a couple of more. I think it was like 8 rings. So these rings are all so beautiful. I just love them. I literally got these for $1.98 on the flash sale. I think regularly, I think it was like $7 or something like that, but I love this one. Look how cute that is. So I thought that was good to get, you know, like 8 rings for $1.98. The next thing I got was this 5-piece chain, and literally I got this for $1 something. I think it was $1.70 or something like that. And you have your medallions here, and then you have like this little rectangular one that's a bit longer. So this will look cute when you have like an open shirt, if you wear, you know, a tank top and you want to accessorize, or you're wearing a nice spaghetti dress or things like that in the summer. It's gonna look so cute, so I'm excited to wear this as well. Remember, this is from a flash sale. They do have a whole bunch of sales, but their flash sales is what you know, if you're like me, that you're cheap, that's what you're looking for, those flash sales, and they do a lot of flash sales. So the next thing I got, and it came in a cute case, and you guys wouldn't believe how much I got these. I got these for $1, and yeah, I cannot believe it. So I got me, you know, just to accessorize. Maybe it doesn't even have UV protection, but it's just to take pictures and to look cute in the summer. Look how cute that is for $1. Like, really? $1. And it came with a case. Like, huh? It doesn't get better than that. So yeah, I don't know how it looks. How you guys think it looks? I mean, for pictures and things like that, since I am doing more fashion posts, it's gonna look cute on a fashion post. So yeah, they had all types of colors. I got the purple ones. They had blue, green, I think, orange, I think it was, yellow. So yeah, if you were looking for sunnies, I know they have great sales on sunglasses as well. I did buy a pair of sunglasses from there last year, I think it was, or like maybe like 2 years ago, and I still have them. They're like my rose goldish ones that I've worn. I don't know if you guys have seen me on my Instagram, but yeah, to get these for $1, like, hello. The next one is this 6-piece earring set. I think it's just so cute. I love the way it has these colors. It's all, you know, very springish and summery. And I like that it has these small ones with the little flowers in the center. I'm holding this one because the back piece fell. But I don't know, I just like this little leaf one. It's so cute. And these are also so cute. I love that they have a silver in between gold, because I do like to wear different metals. I don't think it's that bad. And I think I got this for like $2. So, you know, you're getting 6 earrings for $2. I got these and I wore these in my previous look. I love these. These are so cute. They are multicolor, but I just love that it has the lime green and the blue and the pink, and I just love it. I love the size of them too. I thought they were a bit bigger, but I actually like the way they are, the size of them. I think they're just so cute. And I got these for, I think, $1.98 as well, so that's not bad. And then I got this necklace. I actually got my daughter a necklace too. I got her like a little unicorn necklace, and that one was $1.98 as well. Most of these things were $1.98. I got for myself, and it says Queen on it. I love it. I just thought that's so cute to pair off with another necklace. And for, I think this was $1.70, something like that. That is not bad at all. I don't know. I just thought it was so cute. I got this 6-piece set, which was also super affordable. I think this one was a little bit more. I think it was 2 something, but it's still not bad. I love them because I got those in gold, so I got these in silver, and I love earrings like this. This is so cute, like the little cuff. Love it. I have another one which is longer, but this one I think is like so cute and the perfect size for like everyday wear. So I think these accessories are for my everyday wear when I don't want to wear big earrings, or I'm not wearing my hoops or anything like that. These are perfect. And honestly, these little earrings get lost all the time. I cannot keep a set of earrings like this, so I have to buy like 6 at a time for my everyday wear because I just lose them. These will last me, I think, a month or 2. So then I'm gonna have to go and order some more. And I also got these, and these I honestly thought they were a bit bigger, but you know, I'm not complaining. I like the size. So I've been wanting to do a red look for a very long time, and I'm like, I need red earrings. I just need red earrings, or some kinds of colored earrings that have red. So yeah, these are so cute. I love it. I love that it has the red, the corally pink, and then the light pink. It's so cute. And then it has like a stone right here. Like I said, I thought they were a bit bigger, but I still like them. And these were, I think, $2. Also got these, and these, I was so sad. I was like, why are you so tiny? Look how tiny they are. But I mean, they still look cute. I guess they're a decent size. Honestly, I wanted these bigger. And these are for actually an outfit that I got, and I'm like, I don't know, I need some earrings for it. I need to look cute. It's a really, really nice outfit. It's like a crop top and pants set. It's cheetah print, so I thought these would look great with it. But then I'm like, why are you so tiny? Yeah, I really like them, even though they're too small. And I have 2 more here, and I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it for my little haul. So then I also got these because I liked that pattern of the circles, and honestly, I thought these were a bit bigger as well. And they look like this, but the reason why I got these is because I love to mix metals. So if you see me wearing silver earrings with silver and gold necklaces because I like mixing metals. So this is silver on top and gold on the bottom, and I think they're so cute. The only thing I also didn't like is that it didn't come with back pieces. Like, why are you sending me earrings with no back pieces? I don't get it. Coming from China, so what can you expect? And I don't know, I think they're cute. I can't wait to wear these. These are gonna look so cute with a nice little flowy dress and some nice gladiator sandals. So cute. So I can't wait to wear these. And the last ones that I thought that were big as well, but I love the color, are these, and they're so cute. Look how cute that is. It's like a blue, but this is like a weird blue. It's not even royal blue. What is this blue? It's not royal blue, and it's not it's like periwinkle, like dark periwinkle. I don't know if you guys can get that on camera, but it's a really different blue. It's not royal blue, it's not teal, it's not periwinkle, so maybe we could call it dark periwinkle or something like that. But it's a really nice color, and I love the fact that it has these gems right here in different colors. So I don't know, I thought it was so cute to get these, and like I said, I thought they were a bit bigger, but they're still really cute. And yeah, to do a colorful look or a blue look, excited to wear these and for you guys to see me wearing these with a look. Isn't that so cute? I just love them. I just wish they were a bit bigger, but what can we do? So that's it for this video. I hope you guys check out that website, and I hope I helped you if you were looking for accessories that were cheap. I hope you like videos like this. Comment down below if you do. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. See you next time.